we're from a legal cannabis business in America, and we came all the way to Zhengzhou to see our friends from HUIFA Machinery because they have the best greenhouses that we found, and we've done a lot of searching and reviewing products, and this is the best one out. So if you buy this stuff and you come and you see this stuff, it's the best thing you could get. You're gonna have the best production, best quality. It's gonna improve your yields and make you better than you probably are. So come buy this stuff and you will enjoy it and make lots of money. And
plus, they take care of you like family.
Grace and Tony and Emily, everybody's treated us like family and made us feel so welcome in Zhengzhou. And buy the greenhouses.
We knew we came to buy greenhouses, but we never thought we were gonna make friends.
And family.
And family. Thank you guys for everything that you guys done for us. We really do appreciate it, and we go grow together.